Hi, I'm Kevin Ashley, and I would like to introduce SpreadJS, our JavaScript spreadsheet. SpreadJS is the most comprehensive spreadsheet solution for enterprise JavaScript development that allows developers to easily add complete spreadsheet functionality into their own applications, and it can do so much more. SpreadJS allows you to offer your users the most complete Excel-like experience with the same familiar look and feel they are used to, which can help with quicker app adoption. And because your users expect this similar experience, SpreadJS is the perfect option for creating applications for financial, budgeting and forecasting, scientific and lab notebooks, engineering, healthcare, education, insurance, and many other similar business applications. In addition, you can secure, manage, and control data access and versioning to help eliminate risk while keeping the same spreadsheet functionality and ease of use for regulatory compliance applications. SpreadJS, of course, supports many of the more advanced spreadsheet features such as tables, charts, shapes, sparklines, slicers, calculation engine, conditional formatting, filtering, data validation, importing and exporting native Excel spreadsheets, and more, with no Excel dependencies. Use SpreadJS to create spreadsheets, advanced data grids, dashboards and charts, reports, data entry forms, and much more. The powerful calculation engine includes a complete function library that supports over 500 functions, such as statistical and financial functions, with other features such as iterative calculation, array formulas, dynamic arrays, cross-workbook formulas, and custom user-defined functions that your spreadsheet power users are used to. SpreadJS includes over 180 shapes, including many of the Excel shapes. You can also create dynamic, data-driven custom shapes to create customizable diagrams and workflows, floor layouts, or even car damage indicators, airline seating charts, and many more. SpreadJS also offers some unique features such as range templates. These are very powerful features that allow you to define a range of cells to create a single custom cell template. You can then apply that template to a cell to present, for example, multiple rows of data within a single cell. You can even include charts to better create detailed dashboards and reports, and Spread does most of this work for you. Need to drill down and better analyze some data? Import or create your own pivot tables using the optional add-on in SpreadJS with the built-in pivot table panel, which lets you easily edit the different fields and change the structure of your pivot tables. SpreadJS makes designing your spreadsheets easy. The SpreadJS designer lets you, the developer, easily design your workbooks and templates with a simple interface that uses all of the SpreadJS features. You can also use the optional designer component add-on to provide the same familiar ribbon bar and UI functionality into your own web applications, making it easier for your customers to customize the spreadsheet. Do you need to provide more advanced grid-like behavior? Then you can take advantage of the SpreadJS TableSheet, an extremely fast, data-bound data table view that offers more grid-like behavior, but with the added benefit of a spreadsheet user interface and a full calculation engine. Use the included SpreadJS Data Manager to quickly pull data from the server, create a custom view, and then present and interact with the data in the table sheet. Do you need to work with Excel files? SpreadJS will import even your most demanding Excel spreadsheets with zero dependencies on Excel. You can export your data to Excel files, PDFs, or our own highly optimized file format for even faster importing of large amounts of data. The new SJS file format is just one example of our continued commitment to always be focused on the performance and data optimization. We always strive to be your best and fastest option when working with even the largest of files. As a developer, working with SpreadJS is easy. You can easily just reference the JavaScript files within your application or install them from npm. This is just the beginning of what you can do. The possibilities are endless with SpreadJS. Ready to get started? Check out our interactive product demos, blogs, and documentation on Grape City's website, and download your free evaluation of SpreadJS today.